happy mornings. It's currently 6:43 in the morning. Wanna know why I'm up so early? The water heater busted. Yeah. Shooting water up against the ceiling and the walls. Fun. It didn't explode, mind you. It just busted around the little hingy part and was spraying everything in the garage. Fun. Trust me, it's actually kind of scary because my mom, before she left for work, said, if you feel sick or anything, then go outside and get some air and call me. I'm like, why? And she goes, I don't know if our heater's gas or electric. And you're gonna leave. But on the plus side, a few days ago I found out I had my youngest viewer ever. He's I don't know, 3 or something. So, hey kiddo, hey Mason, you rock. Thanks for watching. By the way, I made this yesterday, but it turned out a lot smaller than I wanted it to be. A lot smaller than I want it to be. And none of my stuff can really fit in it. But it's cute. It's cute. Okay, so we can use the cold water, but not the hot water, but I still don't trust it. So I'm still not going to use any of the water. Because I'm going to be home alone. I really want to mess with that. Sorry guys, super busy day. Plumber had to come out and stuff like that and fix things around the house. And it's been hectic. I'm so tired. But yeah, not much happened today. Other than that, I'm bored. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm gonna edit this vlog really super quick and then go to bed. Night.